Okay, so what's the strategy behind that? How do we do this? So one book I always recommend to everybody is called The Most Important Thing. This is my investing Bible. This book by Howard Marks, best book ever, honestly. For investing, it's the Bible. The Bible to value investing, to fundamental analysis. And that example I mentioned, this book goes through that, right? So if you want to really understand value investing, I highly recommend getting this book. Now, this book is not even a crypto book. It's just a book for value investing into anything. Right? Let me see if I can get some chapters in the book. Right? But I highly recommend any value investor should get this book. Actually, no, not outline. I'm looking for a table of content. Actually, yeah. Let me try to get some images that illustrate value investing. Because there are lots of charts in that book that really go through and help you understand the concept of being a value investor. Right? So without having to go through the entire book right now, let me see if I can pull up some charts there. Hope you're all doing well. If you're enjoying the stream, please smash the like button, subscribe, share this with your friends. This is an overtime session. Enjoying here a nice whiskey Coke. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so he actually has two books. One is called The Most Important Thing. The other one is called Mastering the Market Cycle. Both books are good, but The Most Important Thing to me is the best one for setting the foundations on what the book does. Right, so this is a very common chart that has been seen everywhere, right? Most people come in and buy here during mass media, right? Like NFTs, influencers, YouTubers, mainstream media is talking about crypto and all that. But as a value investor, you want to buy down here and you want to buy down here, right? The best way to really explain value investing to a point where anybody can understand this is this. You want to buy from pessimists. You want to buy from people who think this is the end of the world, this is going to zero, it's over, the music has stopped, let's get out, let's not get wrecked, basically when people capitulate, that's the best time to buy. Why is that? Because you're buying everything at a discount. People want to get the hell out of whatever they're holding so quickly, they'll sell it pennies on the dollar. So you're buying everything at a discount. It's like you're basically going thrift store shopping, right? Basically garage sale shopping. And then you take profits, you cash out when everybody's trying to buy. When you basically buy from pessimists and sell to optimists. You sell to people who think this is going to the moon and beyond. They think this is the best thing since sliced bread. This is the future. This is going to change the world. Those are the people you sell to because you can sell to them at a premium. Right? You can sell to them at a 2, 3x, whatever it's worth. Right? That's the definition of value investing. You buy low, sell high. But buy low, sell high is too simple. I prefer the term which comes from the book, buying from pessimists, selling to optimists. Buying from people that are getting wrecked and selling to moon boys and girls, right? That's the definition of value investing. And once again, value investing doesn't really matter what the asset is because you can even value invest in shitcoins or in bad assets, right? So for example, Howard Marks, who's a billionaire investor, who made that book and both books, The Most Important Thing and Mastering the Market Cycle. So he basically invests in distressed bonds, I believe. They're basically junk bonds that people thought were complete garbage. He's able to repeatedly deliver great returns by finding junk bonds that people don't want to touch that have value. We're basically taking that same approach and applying it towards investing in altcoins. We're basically finding altcoins. People believe that everything's bad, everything's garbage, everything's trash, and we're finding value. We're finding hidden gems. We're going dumpster diving and finding diamonds in the rough. Projects like Polygon, Matic that deliver 100x returns. And what we learned in the last market cycle is it's not just about getting 100x returns. It's about finding projects that will still be around after the bear market, products that will bounce back and hit an all-time high. Because I learned in my first crypto bull market back in 2017 from Icon, Wabi, all those products did 100x returns. However, they have not hit new all-time highs in this market cycle, in this new bull run, meaning that they were pump and dumps basically. And now we want to find products that are not pump and dumps, products that will actually be around and make money, because in a correction, in a crash, everything goes down. Even Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything. Your whole portfolio tanks probably 80 to 90%. But you have to be willing to weather the storm, because you know if you're in value, everything will bounce back. But if you're not in value, nothing will bounce back, right? So you basically want to have that margin of error. This is something made popular by Warren Buffett, meaning that when you invest into something, your margin of error should be very, very high. Because if you get into something undervalued, you have lots of wiggle room for a crash. Okay, so that's kind of the high level of that. Now,
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.